dribble release, crossover, dribble release, between the legs, dribble release. Kung nahihirapan pa kayo sa timing mga kaballers, I suggest na you have to do 3 dribbles, no? 1, 2, 3, dribble release, cross between the legs. 1, 2, 3, dribble release, between the legs, no? Once na nasanay kayo, you try to drop down. What's up guys, this is Coach Ralph and this is
Improving Your Game.
Day number 16. Sa ating day number 16, tuturuan kayo kung paano i-improve ang inyong mga ball handling. But this time, 2-ball edition, no? Turo ko sa inyo mga ka-ballers is crossovers, no? So, paano siya gawin, no? So, una, tuturo ko muna sa inyo on how to dribble release. So, ito yung dribble release. Okay, dribble release. So, ayun yung foundation natin, mga ka-ballers, ha? Ang unang progression, dribble release. Then we have to do 1 dribble crossover. So, habang nagdi-dribble yung isa, dribble release, okay? Dribble release, crossover, dribble release, crossover, dribble release, crossover, dribble release, crossover, release, crossover, dribble release, crossover. Next progression naman natin mga ka-ballers, dribble release pa rin, then double crossover. Dribble release, double cross. Double, kabila naman, dribble release, crossover, dribble release, crossover, dribble release, crossover. Next drill naman natin mga ka-ballers, dribble release, then between the legs, no? So, dribble release, between the legs, dribble release, between the legs, dribble release, between the legs. Kung nahihirapan pa kayo sa timing mga ka-ballers, I suggest na you have to do 3 dribbles, no? 1, 2, 3, dribble release, cross between the legs. 1, 2, 3, dribble release, between the legs, no? Once na nasanay kayo, you try to drop down. Gawin yung 2 dribbles na lang. And then, once you master, gawin yung 1 dribble na lang. Hanggang sa maging no dribble na. Puro between the legs na lang. No? So, ganun yung magiging progression niya. And then, yung next drill natin mga ka-ballers is dribble release, then behind the back. Dribble release, behind the back. 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 No? So, yun mga ka-ballers. Ang mga ka-ballers is side dribble. No? So, ang side dribble natin, sabay. 30 seconds. After ng sabay, mga ka-ballers, alternate. Na side dribble. After naman, ang last drill naman natin, mga ka-ballers, dribble release, crossover, dribble release, between the legs, dribble release, behind the back. So, ganito siya. Dribble release, crossover, dribble release, between the legs, dribble release, behind the back, crossover, between the legs, behind the back. Okay? Hanggang sa ma-master nyo mga ka-ballers. Ang last drill naman natin, 2 dribbles but 1 arm only for 1 minute. So, ganito siya mga ka-ballers, ha? Okay? And then, after natin maka 1 minute, left hand naman. Left hand. 1 minute pa rin. So, yun mga ka-ballers. Gawin nyo yun para mag-improve yung ball handling nyo.